So don't question my opinion.
I am not questioning your opinion, Mr. Chair, but you are the chairman of this committee.
Anyway, let's proceed with the
You are not interested in the prejudicial question that I am going to raise, Mr. Chair?
Go ahead, you raise your
Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo an investigator, we are investigating. Mr. Chair, we are still investigating.
Like, share, and subscribe. Botanera Mix Vlog 2.0. God bless the Philippines.
Are you ready?
Mr. Chair, I wish I can make a few clarificatory questions before we start. But these are prejudicial questions, Mr. Chair.
Later. Let's hear first from the principal witness this morning.
No, but these are prejudicial questions,
okay,
Mr. Chair.
Go ahead.
Foremost to my mind, Mr. Chair, is the integrity, the impartiality, and the objectivity of the proceedings of this committee. Mr. Chair, you were interviewed on Billionario Channel by Miss Pinky Webb. Basahin ko po, sabi niya, Senator Ping, para sa inyo, sino ba ang sabihin natin worth it or dapat na ikonsidera na state witness na ipasok man lang dito sa Witness Protection Program? And you responded, at this point between Diskaya and Bryce Hernandez, Mr. Chair, question is, does the chairman has the prerogative or the right to make judgment?
No. That's my perspective, no? That's my personal opinion outside of the hearing or outside of this hall. So don't question my opinion.
I am not questioning your opinion, Mr. Chair, but you are the chairman of this committee.
Anyway, let's proceed with the
you are not interested in the prejudicial question that I am going to raise, Mr. Chair?
Go ahead, you raise your
Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo an investigator, we are investigating. Mr. Chair, we are still investigating.
Session is resumed. Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.
Thanks, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.
I will register my continuing objection, Mr. Chair. I will question the objectivity of these proceedings if you will not allow me raise these points. Maybe in the plenary this afternoon, I will raise it.
Go ahead. Mr. Alcantara, you proceed with your statement.
Your Honor, okay lang po bang makapagbigay ako ng opening statement ko po?
Proceed.
Ano bang gagawin natin dito?
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Tinatanggap ko po na ako po ay hindi nakasagot sa maraming tanong mga nakakaraang huling araw upang maproteksyonan ang institusyon na aking minahal sa loob ng 30 taon. Subalit, nitong mga nakang araw, ako po ay nakapag-isip-isip na tumulong na lamang po sa investigasyon na to para po sa bayan. Narito po ako sa harapan nyo ngayon upang tumulong ng buong puso, abot ng aking makakaya, upang makapagbigay linaw sa katanungan sa investigasyon ito. Naintindihan ko po na hindi lang mainit ang isyong aking kinakaharap sa kasalukuyan. Mararamin po ang galit sa aming mga kasama sa DPWH dahil sa mga nabanggit na mga sinasabing katiwala sa aming ahensya. Hindi ko na po titingnan to. Ito po galing sa puso ko. Nangangamba po kasi ako sa seguridad ng pamilya ko. Ito pong aking salaysay ay marami pong mga tao na mababanggit at ako po ay humingi ng tawad sa mga tao na to, pero kailangan ko po